bench today. We've got a PlayStation 4. It's a SAC 001 board. This is one that I've actually already done an HDMI port repair on, and it was working fine. Was going to stick it in the grandkids' room for when they're staying over. Went to set it up, and it's booting up quite light, but there's no image on screen. So either I've made a mess of the port install, but I don't think so, or something else has gone wrong with it in the meantime. So I've already stripped it down, so we'll start the video from here. I'm going to switch over to the microscope. Right, having a look at the port there, I don't really see much of a problem. We'll get these pins checked. Make sure they're all connected well. This is a replacement port. There's definitely no problem with the inside of the port itself. These are all looking pretty solid. Keep my fingers out of the way. Yeah, definitely nothing wrong there. Right, so next thing, give the filters a check. Just put my meter into continuity mode. Okay. Fine. Check diagonally, make sure there's nothing there. Nope. Okay. Definitely on it there. Let's just go straight to here. Yeah. I think this filter's away, because I'm not getting any continuity through that at all. So that's one. Yep. Definitely on it. Definitely connected to the board. I thought we'd just go straight to the pin, because we know there's continuity there, and again nothing. Right, nothing again. That's fine. That one's fine. Just check the diagonals while I'm here. It's fine. It's fine. That's fine. Right, so this one side, no continuity. And that one, nothing at all, was it? Yeah, nothing there, nothing there. Oh no, I've got there. Yeah, it's the side of this one. I'm getting nothing for this one at all. Right, so they're going to need replaced. Hopefully that's all it actually is. I do have filters I also have a replacement IC if it did turn out to be that, but it's looking so far it's just going to be these filters that are an issue. Right, so I'll get my hot air station warmed up and we'll get these off and replaced. Right. Let's get these ones off. So let's just pop the cap off that one. There we go. Right. Those two off. Just going to add a little bit of fresh solder. To these pads. Flux. So I'll just grab the two replacements. This in. Stuck into the tweezers. Should be good. So I'll give them a check. Let the board cool down a bit. Yeah, that's fine. Right, so they're all good. So I'll quickly piece the console back together and we'll give it a bit of a test. Right, okay, we're back together. So give this a little test. First thing, switch it on. Excuse the grubby fingerprints all over the screen. Stick it in. Seems to be losing focus if I'm too close. Right. Seems to be fine. Get the port a jiggle at the back. Yeah, solid. I didn't think it was the actual port that was a problem. Yeah, not going to bother playing the game. So that seems to have corrected the little issue it was having, so very happy with that. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, then please subscribe to the channel, it's appreciated. And if you hit the bell notification icon, you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Thanks for watching. Cheers.